Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a question I get asked a lot. How long does it take to get an Ally Bank card? Now, I know you're probably excited to get your new card and start using it, but I'm going to be honest with you, it's not an instant process. There are a few steps involved, and each step takes some time. So, let's break it down and walk through the process step by step. Step 1. Open an Ally Bank account. The first thing you need to do is open an Ally Bank account. You can do this online or by calling their customer service number. Once you've opened your account, you'll need to make an initial deposit. The minimum deposit is $100, but you can deposit more if you want. Step 2. Order your debit card. Once you've made your initial deposit, you can order your debit card. You can do this online or by calling their customer service number. Be sure to choose the type of card you want, either a regular debit card or a credit card. Step 3. Wait for your card to arrive. Once you've ordered your card, it will take some time for it to arrive. Ally Bank says that it typically takes 7 to 10 business days for a debit card to arrive. If you ordered a credit card, it will take longer, up to 30 days. Step 4. Activate your card. Once your card arrives, you'll need to activate it. You can do this online or by calling their customer service number. Once your card is activated, you're ready to start using it. So, to answer the question, how long does it take to get an Ally Bank card? The answer is 7 to 10 business days for a debit card and up to 30 days for a credit card. Tips for getting your Ally Bank card faster. Here are a few tips for getting your Ally Bank card faster. Open your account online. This is the fastest way to open an Ally Bank account. Make your initial deposit as soon as possible. The sooner you make your initial deposit, the sooner your card will be ordered. Choose expedited shipping. If you want your card to arrive faster, you can choose expedited shipping when you order it. What to do if your card is delayed? If your card is delayed, you can contact Ally Bank customer service. They can help you track down your card and get it to you as soon as possible. Getting an Ally Bank card is a simple process, but it does take some time. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can get your card and start using it as soon as possible. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. P.S. If you have any questions about Ally Bank cards, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them.